Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shweta's Kitchen. So today's recipe is mawa cake. Now cake baking is no rocket science. With a little bit of patience and the right amount of ingredients, you can bake a perfect cake. So yeah, let's go and see the ingredients for the mawa cake. So let us see the ingredients for the mawa cake. So here we have 1 cup of maida, half cup of milk powder, 1.5 cup of powdered sugar, half cup of oil or butter. I have used Amul butter. Then we have 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1.5 teaspoon of ENO or fruit salt, no flavor fruit salt. Okay, we have vanilla essence around 1 teaspoon. We have water, some extra water for consistency, and we have 1 to 3 tablespoons of hot water for activating the ENO. Okay, and here we have a mixing bowl, we have a whisker and a spatula, and here we have a prepared tray to bake the cake. Now this tray is prepared. I have applied butter on the base and I have dusted it with some maida or all-purpose flour. Alright, so here my oven is heating, preheating. This is around 180 degree, both top and bottom, and we are preheating it for 10 minutes. So first thing you do is you preheat your oven. This has to be nicely preheated. So yeah, let's go ahead and prepare the mawa cake. So we first take in the melted butter. Okay, this is around half cup melted butter, so we take that in the mixing bowl. Okay, and then to it we add the 1.5 cup of powdered sugar. Right, we add the entire sugar to it. And we whisk it nicely. The butter and sugar here. Now to this we add the milk powder. So we add the milk powder here. The maida or the all-purpose flour. The baking soda, the baking powder, sorry, and a little bit of water, and we mix this. So keep mixing it, keep adding water slowly till you have a nice and flowy consistency. Little more water. Okay. We add vanilla essence to it, around 1 teaspoon. vanilla essence. Mix it. Here we see the consistency. It's a nice flowy consistency. So we have nice flowy consistency to it. It shouldn't be too thin, shouldn't be too thick. See? Now have about 2 tablespoons of water. To that I will add 1.5 ENO. See, and then we add this to the cake batter and we mix it up nicely. It has to incorporate properly in the cake batter. Okay. So yeah. Now we have our greased tray in which I will bake my cake. So you add this batter to the tray. And this batter goes into the oven for at 180 degree around 25 to 30 minutes. You have to do a toothpick test. If the toothpick comes clear, then the cake is done, or else you have to bake it for another 5-10 minutes. So let's go to the oven. My oven is nicely heated. So I'll put this in the oven and we'll let it bake for 25 to 30 minutes.